Hi, and welcome to Stamp with Ginny. Today we're going to check out what's inside our 5th anniversary March paper pumpkin kit. So let's open it up and see. We have a stamp set that has some beautiful florals and some wonderful little scents. And here's our gift for the 5th anniversary. It looks like 2 sheets of our wood elements. They're going to be a lot of fun to work with. I've got an early espresso spot here, and it looks like a wonderful card kit called Make Good Things Grow. So let's open it and see what came inside. Okay, it looks like we have a bolt of fresh fig ribbon and a little bolt of very vanilla baker's twine, some brads, some beautiful looking pearls that looks like done in fresh fig and maybe pink pirouette or powder pink. We've got these fun little pieces of paper here with patterns already on them in the pink and the crumb cake. And it looks like these are going to be our envelopes. I love the designs on them. And isn't this rose beautiful? Some card bases in crumb cake. And some note cards in our fresh fig. It looks like there's 4 of each of these. And of course we have some sheets here with some designs on them in floral, along with some labels. And isn't it nice? It looks like they've marked things for us to make it quick and easy. And oh my goodness, there's 4 of those sheets, along with some, it looks like, strips that we can use, and some beautiful laser cut labels, and a huge sheet of Stampin' Dimensionals, and some glue dots. And of course an instruction sheet, which I just love because it gives you all of the items in a step-by-step look, along with this great little ruler along the bottom. So all you need to do is add paper snips to this kit. There you go, our March paper pumpkin kit. May good things grow. If you have any questions about the Paper Pumpkin program, feel free to contact me. Meanwhile, thanks for joining me.